ndakatono ndakatono. Okay, hey everyone, yeah, it's Mikes from iNext. Yeah, in today's video, I'd like to show you, or I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 using VMware Workstation. Okay, so in this video, I'd like to show you how you can do it step by step, and it's gonna be very easy. And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. So we shall be doing live streaming on every Friday, no, on every Sunday at 19 p.m. or 19 p.m. East African time. So please don't forget to subscribe on this channel and even leave a comment on any video that you would like to do, that you would like me to do when we are live. Okay, at first, all what we are going to do, we have to be with this image. This image ISO, I already shown you how you can do. I already showed you how you can download and install, or even how you can download this image ISO. If you don't know how, you just click and open any blog or any web browser that you have on your computer, as you can see. Then here type search download Windows 10 ISO. Press enter. Okay, now you have to click on this first link, download Windows 10 disk image. Okay, you have to click on this first link, click to open. Now this is the page. This is the page where I would like when you okay, this is the page when you want to download the image here or this ISO. All what you have to do, you have to click on this link, then you follow the instruction. Already I have a video here. I have a video here that's showing to you how you can download and install Windows 10. Okay, let me first go on my YouTube channel. Then I show to you the video that I'm talking about. Okay. This is the channel. Okay. Now here I can search. Here I can search install download Windows 10. Download how to download Windows 10. Okay, now this is the video. Okay, I even have 2 videos, so you can just visit my link and then try it for the video, try it for the guides that is in this video. Then you'll be able to download the disk image.
Delicious is being denied.
Okay, now without waste of time,
Munching has become mindless.
without waste of time, let me show to you how you can install this Windows 10, or how you can install Windows 10 on our computer. So at first, all you have to do, you have to come and check this PC. Then you have to be with enough space in order to install Windows 10 on my computer or on your computer. You have to be with the space on your disk. For this video, I have another disk space here. I have an SSD, which has a bigger capacity, like a bigger space. So I'm going to install Windows 10 using a VMware, but using this location. Okay, now let me close this. Okay, now let me open the VM workstation. Make sure you already have it on your computer. If you don't know how, again, I already have a video that is talking about how you can download and install a VM workstation into your computer. Okay, now VM, let me click open. Okay, now this is the software. This is the VM workstation. Now, since that we are going to install Windows into the Windows 10 into this machine or VM machine, now all what you have to do, click on create. Okay, now here you can leave everything as it is. Then you click on next. Then when you reach on this page, all what you have to do, click on I will install operating system later, because there is some configuration that we're going to do before starting installing the Windows. Now you can choose this another step, this I will install the operating system later. Then click on next. Okay, now since you can see with the VM, you can install Windows, you can install Linux, you can install VMware EX, and even the other operating system like Mac OS and any other. So even in the versions, you can see which operating system we are going to use, or we are going to install and use on the machine. For this video, I'm going to install Windows 10 64-bit because it's already the image that we have, or it's the image that we have on this on our computer. Now click on next. Now here is here we have to choose the location where we're going to install the operating system. Just you can leave the virtual machine name or you can change, but for this video I'd like to leave that as it is, Windows 10. Now for the location we have to change the location so that we can pick a good location where we're going to install the virtual machine. Click on browse. Now here click to expand this disk, external disk. I can I can click here to make a new folder. Then I name this as Windows 10 VM. Okay. Once it's done, click on OK. Here you can see the location has changed to location E and and even the name. So we are going to install our operating system here. Again, here click on next. Here I can choose the disk space I would like to use. I can leave everything as it is, like a 60 because 60 GB, because I already have enough disk space. Now let me click on next. Okay, here click on finish. Now once I have done, you will see some changes on your screen from here, from this to this. Okay, now all what I have to do, let us insert, or let us change some, let us do some changes. Click on edit virtual machine, as you can see. Now for the RAM, I already have enough RAM. I have almost 80 GB. Now I'd like to give this at least 5 GB. Maybe let me give it at, anyway, let me give this 4 GB. Okay, you can just slide this to adjust the RAM that you'd like to give the operating system. But the recommended memory, you can see it's 2 GB, but I'd like to give it 4 GB because I already have enough memory. Okay, now for the processors, since I have like 8 processors on my computer, I'll choose the 4 processors. Let me give it 4. Okay, now move here. Now click on disk. Now click on this option, CD slash DVD SATA. Click on use ISO image because you already downloaded the ISO. I have it on my desktop as I shown you. Now click on browse. Okay, let us find the disk image here on desktop. Here it is. If you don't know how you can download, please visit my YouTube channel, IT Next, then search that video into my channel. It's already there, and I even try to insert a link into this video when I'm done with the recordings. Okay, now double click to open this. Here you can see I have a disk image. Now move down. Now move down and click on display. Here, click on display. Then uncheck this accelerated 3D graphics. Uncheck this option, and then click on OK. So we have successfully configured, as you can see here, we have successfully configured our VM workstation to be installing Windows 10. Now to start installing Windows 10 on our machine, all what you have to do, just click on this button or here, power on. Now here, let me click on OK. Okay, then the VM will start. Click on enter. Let me make this big so that everyone can see. Okay, let me unpin this so that it can go up and we come inside the VM workstation. Okay, now when we start installing the operating system on Windows on a VM, but remember this process is the same as installing the normal on your normal machine. Remember, because when you are making a bootable flash, remember when you are trying to install, when we are going to install operating system on our machine, we have to create a bootable flash, or the video is already there. I already shown you how we can create a portable USB drive, a bootable USB drive for this operating system. But It's the same as installing on our normal computer. This video I'm showing to you, you can just go and watch how to create a bootable USB drive for your machine, and then after doing that, you can just boot your computer and then press your boot key on your computer, select the USB or any other bootable device that you already made, or it's a CD. Once you're done, it will give you this exact screen as you can see here. Okay, now here you can select your language that you would like to use for this video. For this image that I downloaded, I only have English. You can leave everything as it is. It's your choice. You can change to your language, any other language, but I'd like to use English, United States. Then after, click on next. Okay, now once you're done, just click on install. Now you have to wait for a few seconds or for some few minutes for the computer to pop up this. Okay, now this is the page where we are to activate our Windows. But if you don't have if you don't have activation key or product key, all what you have to do, click I don't have product key. Okay, okay. Now here you can see the image contains a lot of operating system options, like the versions that you would like to use. You can see there is Windows 10 Home, Windows 10 Home Networking, that is standing for N, Windows 10 single language, Windows for education, Windows education, and blah blah blah. Then for this video, I'd like to install Windows 10 Pro. Okay, I'd like to install Windows 10 Pro. Then after, click on next. Okay, now it's going to float you to another page. Okay, here you can read the terms and conditions for this, terms and license, whatever. After that, click on I accept and then click on next. Okay, now here click on custom install Windows. Okay, this option is for advanced user. So I'm not going to upgrade the operating system. I'm showing you how you can install Windows 10. That means that we are installing a new operating system on this VM workstation or on a computer. VM is like you're having a virtual computer. Okay, VMware works as a virtual computer, like you're having a normal computer, but when you don't have, you can use VM to install this operating system. Okay, now click on install Windows 10. Okay, now here, this is our disk. Remember, we already set this to 60 GB, but I can partition this. I can do whatever. For this, I'm not going to partition. Now, all what I have to do for this video, I can just click on new, then I click on apply, and then I click on OK, so that it can be formatted, and there I'll be ready to go. Now here you can see we have the system, whatever. Now once it's done, move down here and then click on next. Okay, the files will start to copy. Okay, the Windows will start copying the Windows file, and then here down you'll see the files getting ready for the installation. So this will take a lot of time. It depends on your machine. But for this video, I'm using SSD. That means that maybe it will be very quicker, or it will not take a lot of time than other machines. You can see it has started to copy the files. So you have to be patient. When you reach on this step, you have to be patient. When you have a good performance machine, it will be more faster than this. Remember, my machine is somehow faster. Okay, that's why you see they are not delay, and I'm live. So it's copying the files, but you will find a new generation computer. This I'm using Windows 10. I'm using Lenovo. This PC I'm using Lenovo 11th gen. I feel about 11th gen, but you'll find someone using maybe Lenovo or Dell HP, but when it has a good performance. Certain generation you get. So we have to be patient here. Let us wait. But please, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe on this channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And remember, we shall be live at the exact time every Sunday. We shall be live. I'll be making a lot of videos, all live videos on this channel. So let us wait for these files to copy. But please, you can like, you can leave a comment, you can do whatever on this video. Okay, now let us wait for the files to be copying. Okay, can say, oh, but even my machine is somehow faster, because you can see there are no delay. But remember, I'm showing to you how you can install. If you want to know how you can download this image, please, you can go into my channel, my channel videos, all my videos on this channel. Then you search how to download the Windows 10. Remember, the Windows 10 nowadays, maybe they want to stop updates for Windows 10. Okay, maybe because nowadays it's very hard to download Windows 10. But in this video, there is a video I made that I already made showing to you how you can download it for free, and it is very very easy. So please just watch all my videos. You can learn a lot of content into the channel. Okay, now we are in 72. Let us wait. Let us wait so that the operating system can copy and sort you how you can do it, or how you can set up operating system to be complete. But remember, as I already told you, the steps that we are doing here, they are the exact steps that we are doing on other machines. Not virtual, the actual machines. Remember, I already told you that the VM workstation, it's working as an second operating on a second PC, whereby I can install and learn any program on this VMware. Like when someone sent me a software for the review, I always first test it into VM. I don't test it on my computer directly. When someone said that I have a virus on my flash, I just open up a VM, then I open the VM, the software using a VM. Okay, so VM, it's there as a second operating system. We do any test. Okay, now we are 98, as you can see. Let us wait for this operating system to stop copying, and then we see what to do next. Okay, installing updates. We are about. But remember, your computer will start several times. So just don't fear all the process. It's very easy. Don't fear any single step or anything that we are doing here. Okay, now here you will see Windows need to be restarted to continue. It will count down, then it restart, or you can just click on restart now. When you don't have time to wait, you can just click on restart now. As you can see, the machine will restart. You can see VMware. Okay, now it has started to boot. We are now going to another step, as you can see. Okay, you see starting services, getting ready. The machine will restart. Again, it's going to restart. So just be patient so that we can see all the process. You can see the machine is getting ready. Again, you have to be patient. Here, you are not supposed to do anything. Don't touch on your computer. Don't do anything or press anything. The machine is just setting everything for you. That's why I'm telling you just to follow my videos, because installing operating system is very very easy. And you find someone, I don't know how to install operating system, please, what should I do? Then for me, I just you can bring you can bring your computer here, then I work it for you if you don't want to learn. But if you can learn through this video, it's very good and very easy. The video is very easy. Actually, it's very easy. You can just go and then you start uh, and then you start doing at your self. You can do it here at yourself. Okay, now you can see getting ready. The machine is getting ready. So we have to wait. Here it can take a lot of time, and if you are just using a HHD or hard disk, oh my friend, it can take a lot of time. It can take like 5 to 10 minutes to get out of this page. But yeah, again, it depends on your machine. It depends on the specification of the machine. If your specifications are very okay, then there are no need to wait. Okay, so let us wait. And for me, what I know, what has why it's taking long is that I'm using external drive. Like it's the external drive I'm using as the storage. Okay, so there might be some delay. Then this computer is going to restart, as you can see. Again, it will come. So we are going to our last setup. Here you have to be very careful because I'm showing to you all the steps to follow. Okay, and if you are using a VMware, I'm going to show you how you can create a full screen. After installing operating system, I'm going to show you how you can create a full screen of this VMware, and it can be like you as you're on your normal computer. Okay, now here just a moment, so we have to wait. Okay, you can see Windows. When you are installing Windows, you have to be like you have to wait, you have to you don't have to panic. Like you just sit down and you make your money. Or you okay, you fix your computer. For me, I'm just making you make your money. I'm just sitting. Then the Windows is doing everything when I'm not touching the computer. So I'm waiting for my page. Yeah, I'm waiting for my page so that I can start. Uh, so that I can. Okay, here's the page that I've been waiting for. Let us start with a region. You can see, let's start with a region. Is it light? It has selected for me the country, United States. Even you can select any other country that you'd like to use: Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, Ukraine, Uganda, US Virgin Island. But for me, I'd like to leave that as United States. Okay. Then after click on yes. So it's set up another page. Okay. Is this right keyboard layout? Blah 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 blah. I just click on yes because it's US, United Kingdom. Then you want to add a second layout. For this, I'd like to click on skip. For this video, I'd like to click on skip because we don't like why. There's no reason to why I should leave like something like that. Okay. Now we have something important. This step is gonna take a time. But remember, this has come because I have an internet connection on my computer. If I didn't have an internet connection on my computer, this step won't come. Okay, so sometimes this can delay or it can take a lot of time. So let me wait. We have to wait. But if I've been having okay, but if I have been having a good enough internet or internet connection, to have been at the high speed, and if I didn't have an internet on my computer, again it would have been very easy to go to the next step. But here it's searching some updates, some blah 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 blah, because I'm already connecting to the internet while I'm showing to this video. So we have to wait. But if you don't have any internet connection on this machine, again I would have been wait for all the processes. Okay, so let me sit back and then I wait to see what's the next step. But okay, still getting things up. This has come because I have an internet connection on my computer, so I have to sit back and wait. Oh my god. So anyway, we shall wait. Thank you for your patience. Yeah, Microsoft, get serious. Get serious. For me, I don't like this. I don't like this. So maybe I recommend to install operating system when you don't have an internet. We are still working. Working for what? I'm still waiting. I'm here waiting. I'm alive. People want to see the next step that for you. You are just saying you are still waiting. Please don't turn off your computer. I'll turn off my computer. Why should I don't turn off my computer? You people, please. You people. I'm not happy. Actually, I'm not happy. I'm not happy with what Microsoft does here. When you have internet connection in your computer, my friend, takes a lot of time. Don't turn off my computer. For what reason? Your computer will restart before continues. Oh. So, but if you don't have an internet connection on your computer and you have been trying to follow me for this video, you never seen that steps. Okay, you never seen that steps. That steps has come due to I have an internet connection on my machine, so the computer has restarted. But the good thing that is that I'm just seated waiting to see the results. Okay, so I'm just seated. So the computer is rebooting. I have to wait and see. Okay. Again, to see on welcoming screen. Okay, now here, all what you have to do, you can choose set up for personal use or set up for organization. But for me, it's personal use computer. If you are trying to set for organization, you can choose the second option. But for me, I'm using as my personal computer, so I set up for personal use. Click to select, and then here click on next. Okay, now let us wait for the second setup. The reason why it has taken long, Microsoft, if you have your Microsoft account with you, you can just sign up and then click on continue or next, or you can just create your account if you don't have. But for this video, I'd like to set this as offline because a lot of people would like to set their computer offline. Okay, for easy accessible, quick access or quick installation. So I'd like to click on offline installation or offline account. It will give me where I should put my username and then the password. Oh, my username, and then I continue. Okay. Here you can see sign up to enjoy the full Microsoft whatever blah 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 blah. So I just click on limited experience. Okay. When I click on this, it will just pop up for me to enter my username. Let me enter like it next. After that, I'd like to click on next. Here I can enter my password, but for this video I'm not going to enter my password. Okay, I don't want to use a password when this. Okay, now just click on next. If you want to use a password, you can just enter the password, then you fill up some questions that already is showing to you. But here, for me, I don't want to use the password. Always have access to recent browser data, blah, 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 blah. Okay, click on next. There are no reason to why I don't have. Okay, now choose the private settings for your device. You can see location, blah, blah, link type, blah, blah, blah. So you can turn off some features that you don't want. Here you can see find my device, uh, linking and typing. So you can turn off by just click here. But if you want to, you can leave it as it is. Then you click on accept. Then you'll see just a moment. So that means it's just a setup for everything for you. I can just see here. Okay. Now here is a customize your experience. I don't want to choose anything here. Just click on skip. Some features has come due to that I have internet connection on my computer right now when I'm installing the operating system. But if I didn't have the internet connection while I am installing the machine, I wouldn't get anything. Okay, now here click on not now, then the screen will start set up everything for you. As you can see, we are getting everything for you. So here I don't have to do anything. I can just leave this as it is. This might take 7 minutes, but in the actual sense it won't, because the machine is faster, somehow faster. Yeah, okay. So I have to sit back and relax for a few minutes, not several, because 7 minutes a lot. So Microsoft lied to us because we are having a powerful machines, okay? And I know you, my followers, you already have powerful machines. So please, if you don't know how to download VMware or VM Access on your machine, just go on my YouTube videos, then search that video, you will find it. You install the VM. It's a pro version. Actually, it's a pro. And please, you can become a member by joining my YouTube channel. And there's some videos that I'm going to start putting there, showing to you how you can get some software full for free. Okay, so I'll be making those videos for the people that are already, or who are my members. Okay, so you can become a member by just click on the button there. I'll be showing to you how you can become a member to my videos. Then you get videos when I done, like when then you get to know how you can download and install some softwares for free on our machine. Okay, as you can see, leave everything to us. Okay, so I have to sit back, then I wait. Almost there. Okay, I'm live. Okay, so we have done. Okay, now we have done installing the operating system of Windows 10. Okay, here you can see the display is more, the device is okay. Now in this video, let me show to you how we can make this big, because I've been using VMware. As you can see, I can't, or it's not very easy to make this big as you want, but all what you have to do here, uh, just move up here and then uh, click on tabs. Yeah, VN. Okay, just click on this option. It's a VN. Then move down here and then click on install VN tools. Okay, okay, click open. Then you have to wait for a few seconds. Have to wait for some few seconds here. Okay, when this pops up, just click and then click on this. Okay, learn setup. Here click on yes. The setup will start installing at its own. I would like to make the screen very big. Okay, so I'm going to show it to you how you can download. So I'm showing to you how you can install operating system on the machine. Okay, now when you're on this page, just click on finish. Sorry, next, and then click on next. Leave everything as it is. Then click on install. Okay, you will see the installation will start installing the VM tools. Okay, this will make our screen very big, our operating system very big. So whenever you have, or you feel any suspicious about viruses, or you want to test any software before using it into your computer, all you have to do, you have to first test it into this operating system or in a VM. When you see those pop up, that means that we have the graphics. Now we have the biggest screen on our operating system. So they're asking us to restart the machine, but even if we don't restart, just click on finish. Here click on no, I don't want to restart my machine. Okay, I don't want to restart my machine. Now to make this big, all I have to do, press on Control Alt on your keyboard and then press enter. Okay, Control plus Alt and then press enter. The screen will become big, as you can see now. Okay, I have a full screen of my Windows 10 operating system. Now I can do whatever I want. I can update, I can start installing the operating system, I can insert any USB drives, I can do. So this is very easy, very easy. So, and I think everyone now can start learning on how you can install operating system before contacting me. And if you have any video that you want me to do, just click on, just comment it into the comment section. I'll come live on every Sunday, and in the weekly days, we always release the new videos, new tech videos. So you can just follow, and then you start watching. Okay, then you learn. Okay, now let me show you some extra tips. Like 201, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Google Chrome after installing this operating system. I'm showing to you how you can. Let me show to you first. Let me show to you how you can add some icons, desktop icons on your computer. Okay, or after installing the operating system. To do this, all you have to do, just right click, then move down and then click on personalize. Okay. Okay. Now click on themes, as you can see. Move here and then click on desktop icon settings. Okay, click here, this will pop up. Now just go on and check the icons that you'd like to appear on your screen or on your desktop. After that, click on apply and then okay. This is so amazing. You can see. Let me first refresh so that they can go into the order. Wow, you can see now in this video, you know how you can install the operating system on your computer or in a VM is the same as the other machine. You can do it into your any other computer, but remember, you have to first back up. If you are doing it on your physical computer, you have to first back up everything on your computer before doing this process, because some people may end up losing their data and they start calling me blah 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 blah. Okay, so now as you can see, I have already added the images. So to install Google Chrome on your computer, all you have to do here on our computer or our new operating system, all you have to do, just click to open our web browser. As you can see, let me open up. Let me open up Microsoft Edge browser. Okay. Now once it's opened, all you have to do, just click on continue. Click continue with this data. Continue and start browsing. Okay, let me close this. Okay, now here I just type in Google Chrome and then press enter. Okay, move down and then click on this first page. You can see this first page. Okay, click on it. Okay, now here click on this blue button, download Chrome. Sit down and relax. Let me close this option. Now we have to wait for the operating system, for the Google Chrome start downloading. But if you see it's not downloading, all you have to do, come and click on this download Google Chrome or download Chrome manually. Click on it. Here up, it will start downloading instead of waiting. Sometimes it will not start, so just click on download Chrome manually. After that, click to open this file. I can just close this because I've already clicked on it. You will see some pop-up, so let us wait for the pop-up. You know, sometimes it takes some minutes for the pop-up to appear, and that's why people, they always ask me, or they always tell me that I already downloaded the software and I click on it, but it's not opening. But even if we don't see it opening here, all you have to do, click to open your download folder. Again here, double click to open the software, but it will open twice. Now click on yes. Okay, so you will see on your Macs, so it's just ready for it's just ready or connecting to the internet, start downloading the software. This is the best guide of whereby I have shown you how you can install the operating system Now how you can download and install Google Chrome in the same video. Okay, how you can add some those icons. So if you follow this video, I know you will learn a lot of things. Okay, yeah, you can sit, you take some few minutes, but I don't have a good connection because it's the same video the same I'm recording this video, or I'm live, so the data connection is not favoring me. uh, it's not favoring me enough to do this. Okay, now I have to wait for some few seconds. Okay, let me wait here. So I'm here waiting for the download to finish. Okay, my internet is very poor, that's why it has taken a lot of time to complete. But if you have a very good internet connection, it just takes a few minutes. Yeah, just only I think 1 minute or two. But my network is not very good, that's why you see it keeps on changing, 2 minutes, seconds, blah 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 blah. So but for this video I have to wait because I have to show you how it works. Okay, so let me relax. Let me relax. Okay, now it has done with download. Now it's installing, but for the installation it doesn't take a lot of time, just a few seconds or few minutes to complete. Okay, so you can see. But if I would have a good internet, you would have seen a very 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 fast internet. But remember, I'm streaming, so the some packages go to the stream, and okay, and boom, so you can see the browser has started. You can just click here to sign in your account. You can do it later. You can set this browser as the default, or you can click on skip because you would like to set up. Okay, now you can see here, you can start searching everything from here, my phone. uh, uh, sorry, that's an FC. Okay. Woo, this was massive. I love us and I love us. And I don't know man you support us, but I love us, and that's why I had to check on it. Okay, now you can see I have done installing the operating system and even showed you how you can download and install the Opera Min. So this is ultimate guide. I think you people, you have learned everything. You have learned how to do everything. Very simple and easy. Okay, I think it's massive video. If you are there and you have been following me, I don't know, you would have type anything. And please, if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment, or and even click on notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I come live, and whenever I release a new videos on this channel, you will be notified. That's the importance of clicking on notification bell. Okay, now that's it. Just maybe if you have any question, I can, let me click here. But for but for other things, all I have to do, let me just click on. Let me restart the machine to see whether there is some changes or there is some other things to do. You can see it's like starting. Okay. Now you can see we can start our VM workstation in the full screen. So I think everything in this video is very clear. But if you are just installing it on your normal machine, it will just come with a bigger screen. Just see, this is a VM workstation, whereby when I done installing this operating system, I have to click on enter, or I have to install some more VM workstation tool so that it can continue. Okay. Now let me come let me come here and then press, then I click on settings, and then I'd like to remove the other VM, so I click on physical. Okay, now because I just wanted to, okay, okay, what I'm going to do, I'll just remove the other image on the screen. Just I didn't want to show you because let me show you, because whenever we install this and then we leave the other image or this image ISO into the computer, you always find it here when you already install it into VM, but I just delete the image, then it won't come again here. Okay, and I think that's it. That's for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even share to your friends. But every Friday at 7 p.m. I'll be live. I'll be live. I'll be waiting for you. And if you want me to do some videos live, like showing you how it works live, just comment it. I'll take your comment for granted. I'll give it a priority, and then I try to follow you, my members, my followers. So I think that's it for today, and I hope you have learned. Uh, let me turn off this. And our next video I will show you how you can install Linux into your computer. Again, I'll use the virtual machine because there is no way I can use it unless I have another machine, like another computer, and then I show to you how you can do it easily. But for this video, you see, I'm going to understand now. Let me delete this image, okay, so that it won't come up with my VMware workstation. Okay, I've done with editing. Before ending the live stream, let me first search VMware, then I open and I see where I again see uh, uh, where I again see the images, the other image of Windows 10 when the computer opens up. Okay, so let me try to wait and see. Okay, now let me open this PC. Okay, boom. Here you can see I don't have the other image that has been opened up with this because it has been there in the same location. That's why you have been seeing those whatever. So I think I have successfully shown you everything today. And please, if you want me to do any other video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and even leave a comment. With us, I can just click on, let me first click on shutdown because some people calling me out. And every Sunday, please, every Sunday I'll be live showing to you what to do. Okay. Not spent. Live. Okay. Okay. So now that's it. We meet the next Sunday, same time, the same live, and even I don't have battery. Okay. So until next time, bye.